show you a new bamboo fence aluminum post system that uses our fused bamboo dassoXTR together with aluminum posts. Let's unbox the base plate. This is the shaft. As you see, there's a threads in it. That's the base plate. That's for the screws, and the screw goes up here. That's the 4 screws to attach the shaft to the base plate. Then there's additional 4 screw. This is the 4 screw that will attach the post to the base plate. Then you have additional 4 expansion nuts, and this is to attach the whole base plate to the slab. Here's the base plate. That's where you put the screws in, and over here make sure that you use the side with the threads. Put that in, and now we attach the shaft to the base plate. Next, we have the post. It comes with a cap and also all the slot cover. So here, there's a cover here. It comes in 2 different sizes, 6 feet long or 9 feet long. These are separate from the base. You can then attach the post to the base. So now we are going to attach the base plate to the post, or vice versa, the post to the base plate. So basically, take the post and slide it into the shaft with the base plate. That's it. Right. So once you have completed the post to the shaft, then you can tighten it with the screws. Alright, and of course using the Allen key supply. So now we have, this is an example of one section, right? So let me redo this. You can actually remove the cover and slot out the planks. So it's all on your options. So you can start out with a, say, 1x4 and then slot in the 5x8 cover. You can get this spacer in a bag of 24. Then once you have it, you can replace any sequence you want and mix up the color, mix up different width or planks. That's one option. Say I put in a Epic Cognac 4-inch and then a classic 4-inch. If I prefer not to have a spacer, I'll just leave it out without a spacer. Or if I prefer to have another spacer, then I'll just put in the spacer here, and that will give you a totally different look. So again, the spacer is 5/8 of an inch. That is to prevent people from climbing it. And that's it, and you can continue on and on. Alright, so once you finish it, just put some polyurethane exterior glue and put in the cap. It's done. If you lose the cap or you miss something, you can buy them all separately.